Yo peeps, today we'll be unboxing this XP Pens Star G640s graphics tablet. This thing, I wanted to buy this because, well, it was one of the cheapest graphics tablet and I would like to do some digital art. So yeah, I'm actually into drawing anime and animation, so let's just try this out. I got it from my own money. This is not sponsored or anything, so this is going to be a complete honest review. I'd already unboxed this graphics tablet and used it for around 2 days, and today let's just see what we get when we buy it, and I would like to share my experience on using it too. So let's begin with the unboxing. So after this, I just open it. As I told you, I was using it. First we get the tablet over here. Because of my use, you can see there are some of the scratches. This is one of the most disappointing thing. Then let's keep the tablet aside for now. And then you get this connector with a 90-degree connection over here, so that it'll be a lot more better when you are using it. Then you get this set of extra 20 nibs and the nib remover for the pen. Then we have this passive stylus, like it has no battery, and this thing has this rubberized texture over here so that we can feel a lot more comfortable while using it. And this thing is pretty fat for me. That's what I honestly think about it. Then we have some user manual, warranty cards, etc. That's all. Let's keep them aside now, and let's just look at the tablet. The tablet is 6.5 inches by 3.75 inches and has 6 shortcut keys which you can program using the software given by the company, where the software and drivers are supposed to be downloaded over the web. They give the website where you can go and download. Now let's talk about the pros first. First thing, it's a very cheap tablet, so anybody can get a hand on it very quickly, and it's a good beginner's one also. Second thing, you get a lot of nibs, extra nibs, which is pretty cool. Like if you wear out the nib that you are presently using in your stylus, you can just change it, and it's very easy to change. All you have to do is take out the nib remover, take the stylus, hold the nib and pull it out. It's very simple, not tight, and for putting it back in, you can just use your hands. So it sticks in place, does not come out, so it's pretty good. It has 2 buttons over here. Being a passive thing, I'm really curious how this actually works. Talking about the cons of this graphics tablet, first thing is it is too much dust attractive. Yeah, this part, especially the buttons part, are attractive to dust and sweat, so it makes marks on it. Like, it really feels bad while doing it. So sorry for the autofocus thing. It might really be causing an issue. Yeah. Second thing, it is the scuffs. Once you start using it, the tablet surface starts having some kind of scratches and all, which will spoil the look of the tablet. I just had many scratches on just using the tablet for 1.5 days, like around 4 hours, and it started to show the scratches, which I got really disappointed of. So it is not about the nibs that the company should be taking care of, it should be about the tablet surface. So that's what I think so. And secondly, the firmware which was already there in the present graphics tablet when it just came, like it was completely spoiled, I guess. Like when I was drawing a line over here, in the computer it used to go like this, up, down. Then it used to come like it started creating some wavy patterns, even though I was doing it straight. Like complete scratches, I could not draw it. Yeah, that's one more downside of it. Yours might also be suffering, so you have to burn the firmware into the graphics tablet by downloading it from their website again. And that's it for it. So let's get into the software and let's see how can we draw. You should go to www.xp-pen.com/download, and for some reason my computer malware bytes, VLC media player and many other things are not starting up, and yeah, I think my computer is under virus attack again. Yeah, okay, so this thing came, and click on select product category. Oops, oh, what the heck happened? Okay, we are over here, and then we should find our product. Yeah, this is it. So for this you must go and download star402 this thing. Click on download, it will just download up, but I already installed it, so I'm not gonna download it. And I recommend updating the firmware. So you are gonna download it and burn it, like you are gonna connect your device and then you are gonna burn it. And when the thing starts up after connecting your device, let me connect mine. Yeah, there you go. So after installing the drivers, like the application, this is what you get, and this thing works pretty good. Like I set it up to my custom profiles. I keep it to absolute mode so that even when I'm over here, lift up my pen, and if I go to the right hand top corner, the mouse pointer also goes to that position too. So that's what I like. I don't like keeping max active area, but I like keeping the display ratio. That's what I like. So this is gonna be how it is. For express keys, I have the K1, K2, everything set to my custom this thing, and you can have many profiles too. And okay, I don't know what this does. And okay, and this is what it is. Like it has up to 8192 pressure point. Like I keep it like this. So yeah, a small steep slope for better strokes, so I kept it like that. And okay, now for some reason my Bandicam was not working, and the startup did not happen properly in Windows, so I had to restart, and my malware by it's running. So let's do a small sketch in Bandy Medbag Media Bang Pro Paint Pro. Okay, sorry for my wrong pronunciations. So presently I'm not using my mouse, this only the tab. And go to new. I like keeping it like this much, 350 dpi. Okay, Let's keep it to color white, color layer. Okay, here we go. Now for the paint brush, I don't like airbrush. Let me do it with a pencil for now. And shall we draw an anime eye? I don't think so. Lol. Okay. So while holding the tablet pen, I heard that you have to hold it straight. So 90 degrees to the just a second. Okay. Okay. So we have to hold 90 degrees like perpendicularly to the surface of the graphics tab. So yeah, I'm doing that. It's really difficult though. Okay, why is this in connector mode? So I did it really bad because I was in a hurry. So this is what you get from doing it. Like I really felt it was a lot more easier than a mouse. Really lot more easy. So this thing, if you're planning to do it a little more on professional level, I'd recommend the 6,000 rupees or the $85 one. The I don't know what is it called, the upgraded version of this. Yeah, I'd recommend this one, the 10 inches into 6 inches one, which is pretty good. So presently I have this thing which is 3,600 rupees, or you can say around $55. Yeah, sorry for my poor English. Consider subscribing to my channel for more content videos, and thank you.